Traders, today 26th of April 2023, we had amazing trade guys this morning. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market Euro USD, and pretty straightforward. If you look at the 4 hour, as you have seen my yesterday analysis, we had a beautiful short trade here yesterday, and after that, after this breakout, as explained my trader, just keep taking a pullback. Even this morning we have this small pullback at this level. So far we don't see any sign of reversal at the moment. We are looking this level, and if the market is going to respect, then we're looking here reversal. Otherwise there's a completely sign of continuation of short on Euro USD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. If you look at the pretty straightforward, this yesterday we had this beautiful breakout. After the breakout we had a beautiful pullback. So this was the analysis we did at the Asian session. As explained, my look for pullback. So this morning we have this beautiful pullback as soon as the price hit to the previous low, yesterday low, and that's what I explained my trader. It's time to consider tightening your stop loss or consider banking few PBs. So amazing trade, guys. So if you want to see those analyses in real time, most welcome, guys. Join our fast growing trading community. Have a nice day.